Everything is square. This whole room is square. All the grout lines match each other down to the center of the countertop. And all the tiles flow. And I left this area blank because I'm gonna put white tiled floors, and I don't know how I'm gonna make it go up, so I'm gonna leave that blank for now until I get the floors all situated. And I could run white tiles throughout the whole room as baseboards. So with time, everything will look fucking good. But everything is all detailed down to my cuts, all match the grout lines. Everything is square. But with time, this fucking place gonna be major. Alright, shoots. Yeah, you.